Two paintings can be absolutely identical. One can be displayed in a museum, sold legally, and even signed, while the other can be considered a forgery. So, when does an identical copy become completely legal? One of the clearest examples is Dafeng in China, known as the City of Copies. Thousands of painters recreate famous masterpieces every day, but because they are sold as reproductions and based on public domain artworks, the practice is completely legal. In many countries, this happens 70 years after an artist's death. But legal copies don't only exist because copyright has expired. Sometimes artists created more than one version of the same composition, either for new commission or to revisit a successful work. Because the creator is the same, the new work isn't a forgery. Bronze sculptures follow different rules because they are cast from molds. New editions can be produced after the artist's death if they were authorized by the artist during their lifetime, or by the person who inherited the rights to the work. These are legitimate editions. Copies are not only a modern phenomenon. For centuries, artist workshops created versions of successful compositions. Copies were part of the artistic process. Legal copies also exist for practical reasons. When Hollywood needs a masterpiece, it doesn't borrow the original. It relies on meticulous crafted replicas. The same principle applies in museums. When an original is too fragile to travel, is undergoing restoration, or needs protections from light, humidity, and constant exposure, institutions create authorized facsimiles. In other cases, replicas are created to recover what has been lost after wars, fires, vandalism, or natural disasters. Reconstructions can help restore parts of a society's cultural heritage, as they did across Europe after Second World War. Today, modern technology has taken this idea even further. High-resolution scanning and 3D printing can recreate artworks with remarkable precision. These technologies have even been used, for example, to recreate monuments destroyed by ISIS. In the end, an exact copy isn't automatically a forgery. It only becomes a forgery when it's presented as something it is not.